Hello. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. So, children, previous period we studied about the parallelograms, isn't it? Parallelograms we studied the area of parallelograms, isn't it?
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Area of parallelogram we studied, right? Okay. And what is the area of a parallelogram?
Base
Base into height. Base into height. What is the area of a triangle? We studied. Pranav Raji, switch on the video. All of you
Yes,
switch on the video. Yes. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, half into
Area of a triangle.
Base
Half
into
into
ma'am, half into base into length.
half into base into height, not length. Half into base into height. Triangle don't have any length and breadth, isn't it? Triangle have altitude and base. So half into base into height is the area of a triangle. We have studied all this. Now I think one problem we have done based on that. Any one problem? No.
Yeah. Oh, no.
No, we didn't do any problems. Okay, only studied the form.
You showed it.
Okay. Okay, now let us see the problems based on that, children. It's very easy. Only just to apply the formula and find out. Okay, so first question is given like this.
Ma'am, it is shared.
This is 7B. Find the area of the following parallelograms. Find the area of the following parallelograms. Huh? So bold color change. So 3 parallelograms I have drawn, children. Now I'll draw the question. Yes, I'll draw the question now. Yeah. This first one is drawn like this. There is an altitude drawn. Here 4 centimeter is the altitude and base is given as 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. And don't shout out the answers, I'll call you. This is 3 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. And next one, 3.5 and 2.5. This is 3.5 centimeter, base is 2.5 centimeters. 3.5 and base is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, now tell me what is the area of, okay, Rihan, Rafiq. Rihan, switch on your video, switch on your speaker.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first one's answer
Is
11.2, exercise number 11.2.
28.
Okay. Tell me, Rafiq.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
28 to 20.
Ma'am, 28
Yeah,
and
so base
29.
into height, isn't it? Area
Yes,
of the
28 to
Ah.
29.
Huh? Which is the area? What is the area? 28 or 29? Tell me.
Ma'am, length into height.
So what is that? 4 into
4 into 7.
7. So what is the answer?
28.
28. 4 7 are 28.
Centimeter.
28 centimeter
28 centimeter.
square area, isn't it?
Yes.
So 48 centimeter square is the area. Okay. What about the next one? I'll call. Okay. 9. Next one.
Ma'am, breadth,
Base.
base into height.
height.
Base into height.
So
3 into 5 equal to 15
3
centimeter.
into 5, that is equal to 15 centimeter square.
Square.
Okay. Next, Abel. Next one, Abel Jofi.
Ma'am, the base into height,
Mm.
3.5 centimeter into 2.5.
2.5. Calculate and tell me the answer.
6.25.
Hmm?
6.25.
2.5 into 3.5. How much it is?
I'm 6.25.
No. How much is the answer? Third one.
Ma'am, 80,
Multiply and tell me.
8.25.
8.25. Is it 25? Multiply 35 into 25 children.
8.75.
Yes. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 7, 5, 7, 8, isn't it? 8, 7, 5. Now, how many decimal places? 2. So, answer also 2 decimal places should come.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. 8.75.
8.75.
8.75.
75 centimeter square.
Got wrong with the decimal.
Okay, simply multiply, then check the decimal places in the question. Same number of decimal places should come in the answer. Here, that's the way you have to multiply. Now, next is triangle. Area of the triangle. I'm going to draw some triangles, children. Triangle. Two are ordinary triangles. One triangle, second triangle, third one, right triangle. Let it be a right triangle. In coloring, yes. One is in green
Oh.
color, and this one is in yellow color, and this being blue color. Now, 3 different triangles I have drawn. We are going to find the area of these triangles. Okay. So I'll give you the base and altitude. Now, base and altitude is given. This one is, don't shout the answer, I'll call you. Okay. 3 centimeter. And, this one is 4 centimeters. And first one, next one is 3.2 and 5. 3.2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Then this is a right angle triangle, 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 2 centimeter. This is 5 centimeters. Okay. So we are going to find the area of this triangles. Okay. Okay. Who is that? Ryan Yamoriha, I think. Tell me area of triangle. First triangle, area of the triangle is equal to what is the formula? What is the formula for area of the triangle?
Ma'am, half in
I was asking
Half into base
uh,
into height.
half into base into height. Half into base into height. So here half is there. Half is there. What is the base? First one. 1 minute. I'll bring it down. Okay. What is the base? What is the? Tell me. Half into what is the base, Riha? Hmm? Her name is Riha itself, no? Come on.
Four.
4 into 3. So what is it? Answer. Simply multiply all the numerators and divide by the denominator.
Ma'am, 6 centimeter.
So 1 into 4 into 3. 4 into
3.
3, 12. 12 by 2. You will get what? 6. 6 centimeter square. Area centimeter square. 6 centimeter square. Okay. Yes. Very good. Now, what about the next one? Adi Tushar. Adi Tushar. I'm calling the students whom I have not called till now. That means no response to me. Adi, can you tell me? No response. Shreya Prajit. Shreya. Shreya. No reaction. How's Pachan? How's Pachan? These people have switched off and gone somewhere. Sit that. Oh, come on, Irene. Irene?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Area of the triangle. Come on. Second
Yes,
one.
ma'am. 1 by 2 into
Second
3.2 into 5.
Yes, 3.2 into 5. Isn't it? So we have to multiply. Multiply and find the answer. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 into 17.5.
Okay. 5 into 3.2. That is 32 into 5 you do, children. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 16. So how will you get 17.16 only, no? 5. Which one? This one, half into base into height. Half into base into height, height into base also no problem. 3.2 into 5. So simply multiply 3.2 into 5. Instead of that, we are taking simply 32 into 5. So 32 into 5, if you do, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 16. Okay. Now here, how many decimal places in the question? 1. So 16. Okay. So half into 16 will come. Okay. Irene. Irene.
Yes, ma'am, I made a mistake. Yes, ma'am,
Ah.
I made a mistake.
Okay. Now what is the answer?
8.
What is the answer? 16 by 2 will come, isn't it? 16 by 2 will come. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 7. Oh,
16 by 2 is 7.
it's 7.
8.
2 into what is 16?
Ma'am, 8. No, 7, ma'am.
2 into 7 is 16.
Ma'am, 8.
2 into
8.
8. Okay, 2 8s are 16. So 8 centimeter square is the answer. 9, you have to write it 10 times. What? Multiplication table. Clear?
Ma'am,
Have to-
is it multiplication?
Multiplication, then what is it?
Oh, sorry, I actually
It
accidentally.
is division, but division you have to do with the multiplication, isn't it? Okay, come on, name can answer the next one. That is easy. What is that? Area.
1 by 2 in
Third one, 1 by 2 into
base plus
base.
base into height. Base into
Where is the height?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Because it's a right triangle, isn't it? Altitude is given already as one side. So what
Yes.
is the answer? Final answer, tell me.
12 by
12 by 2, same.
2.
We'll get what?
6 centimeter
6
square.
centimeter square is the answer. Understood? All of you? Children.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have
Yes, ma'am.
done, yes, we have done area of the parallelogram as well as area of the triangle, isn't it? Area of the parallelogram. What is the formula? Yes, Nihal Mustafa, you were not in the previous class. But did you understand the formula of parallelogram? What is the area of the parallelogram? Nihal,
Ma'am, can
I can hear you. Tell me.
you hear me?
What is the area of the parallelogram?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Base
yes.
Ma'am, base into height.
Very good. Base into height. What is the area of the triangle? Abel
Ma'am.
Jofi. Abel Jofi.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
half into
Ah.
base into height.
Very good. Half into base into height. Okay. He was not there in the previous period. What happened?
Ma'am, I was there, ma'am. Some network issue.
Okay.
Then I go.
So you understood no problems. Rihan is Rafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rihan,
Yes.
did you do the problems? Huh? No answer. He's answering. Switch on your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So another type of problem we are going to see. Okay, very easy. So now till now we were discussing about the area of parallelogram, area of the triangle and all. In this way, if you are asked to find out, suppose you are given the area. Area is given. Area is given to you. You are asked to find the breadth. Base is given. Base is given and area is given. You are asked to find the height. What will you do?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Suppose your area is given as
Ma'am, we should divide.
42 centimeter square. Okay. Area is given 42 centimeter square. Base is given 6 centimeter square. Find the height or altitude of the parallelogram. What will you do? Divide what with what?
7.
7 is the answer, correct. Tell me, what did you do?
4 by
Ma'am, we
2 by 6. 42 by 6.
42 by 6, isn't it? So how did you get it, children? Area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram short form is this. Short form of
Ma'am.
parallelogram is different like this. Two
Ma'am,
parallel lines.
answer is
here.
8.
6 into 7 is 42, my dear.
6 into 6,
Ma'am,
36.
6 into 8.
6 into 8 is 42.
48. 6 into 8.
I have given only 42 as, so 7 is the answer. Area, listen, how we got it. Area of the parallelogram is equal to
7.
area of the parallelogram formula.
Base in the
Base into height.
Base into height.
Base into height, isn't it? So area, we can write
Area
area is equal to
divided.
base into height. So what is base, children? Base is equal to
6 centimeter.
simple equations. We will transpose, no? We will try to find a base. We will transpose height to the next side. So it will become area by height.
By height. Area by height.
And what about
find height also.
height?
Area by base.
Area by base.
So we can shuffle and do it.
Shuffle and do it. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
not shuffling, it is called transposing.
Oh, sorry.
Transposing,
See.
it has gone up. Okay. Transpose the transpose and we are finding the answer. Clear? So in your text, some problems are given of that type. Base is given, area is given, you have to find out the height. Then next is height is given, base is not given, area is given. You have to find out the base. Like that, so many twisted problems are given that you have to do. Okay. We'll
Okay,
try.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Listen. Shall I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question is, base is equal to 20 centimeter. Base is equal to 20 centimeter.
Okay.
Height is equal to, nothing is given. Area, area is equal to 246 centimeter square. Find the height of the parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram. It's a question. Find out and tell me. Now you know what to do. So do it. Base is given, area is given. You have to find the answer. Height of the parallelogram.
12.
Have you done? Did? Do it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Nihal, tell me.
Ma'am, 12 centimeter.
Nihal. Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
12 centimeter?
Is it 12 or decimal is there? No?
So, ma'am, 12 centimeter.
Not only 12, exactly 12 you will get 20, 22, 46 divided by 20.
I'm 14.6.
No,
12.3.
12.3 is the correct answer. 12.3 is the correct answer. 246 divided by 20. 246 divided by 20. Cancel with common factor, children. So it will reduce, isn't it? Then you can divide. 2 is a common factor, no? 2 is a common
Yes.
factor. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Common factor 2 we took. Now we get 123 by 10. You know how to divide by 10, no? Change the decimal. How many places? One place to the left, isn't it? 12.3 centimeters square. You know this, I have taught you decimals, fractions and decimals. That is division. Okay, once more I'll explain. Listen. So we have to, this you understood, no? Like, sorry, this stroke erase. How you got 246 by 20 you understood, right? That is simply
Ma'am, attendance.
area, yes, 1 minute. Area by, what is it given? Base.
Area by base. Area by
Equal to
base. Please.
Height.
Height.
Height. So that is area by base we are doing 246 by 20. Okay. You know common factor is 2. With the 2 we can divide. So because this is 6, it is divisible by 2. End number you check. 0 is also divisible by 2. Right? So we can conclude that the whole number is divisible by 2. So check the units place, children. Check the units place. If the units place is divisible by 2, okay, units place is divisible by 2, then you can divide the whole number by 2. That is the rule. So both units place digits are divisible by 2. I am going to divide it by 2. 246 I am going to divide by 2. 2, keep in mind 2. 2 ones are 2. Listen. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 zeros are 0. Clear? I have divided both by 2. Okay. Now I got 123 by 10. You know how to divide by 10. Change the decimal position to the left, one place. 12.3 centimeters square is the answer. Clear?
Yeah.
Remaining you do as homework. In that piece of question number 3, children, exercise 11 point, sorry, this exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2, question number 3. Remaining questions you do it as homework. Okay, A, B, C, D is there. A I have done. B, C, D you do it yourself. Clear? That is your homework for tomorrow. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll stop sharing. So I hope it is clear. Huh? So
Yes, ma'am.
different types of problems may come like this. Area will be given, base or height you have to find out. Okay. So I'll discuss the answers. Do the homework. Then we can discuss the answers in the class tomorrow. Bye. I'll take attendance.